All right, first new build in a while. This is another Honda XR600. This is a 1990 version. Obviously, the front end is significantly different. So we have CRF 450 front end, a Cherbis headlight, obviously aftermarket fender. The exhaust on the 87, 88, 89, and 90 have two separate pipes until they connect way back here. Obviously, this is a Super Trap aftermarket, but these pipes are much lighter, probably more expensive to make, and Honda decided they would make it a little less expensive moving forward. This bike, when I bought it used, actually came with the Olins suspension in the rear, which is kind of nice. Obviously, there's a 4-gallon aftermarket tank. Recovered the seat. The rack is made in Arizona by Man Racks. You can't order it online, but you can send him a check and he will mail you one. Let's see. So the rear wheel has been laced to an 18-inch full circle racing rim. Up until 91, they had rear drum brake. Thereafter, of course, it was disc, similar to the XR650L. A couple bags for storage, oversized handlebar here. The lights are, well, it's obviously bright outside, but these are by Denali. I've run them externally through an external battery, but they are pretty bright. So turn signals for street legal and horn. The headlight and tail light run off of the stator, which would be stock. We've got the fuel on. I'm gonna choke it a bit here, and we'll see what she sounds like. Pardon the camera work. Kickstand lever down. I usually kick through a few times, and then if you've owned one of these, you kind of find where it catches, and you go one click beyond that, right there. And there we go. I did have it running for a second before the video, so I was checking something else. But yeah, we'll do a walk down here while it's running. Sounds pretty good. Not very loud at all with that aftermarket exhaust. And yeah, 1990 XR600 with the front end conversion. Thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing. You'll see this plastic number plate, which looks like it would melt, but I've actually covered it with wrap on the back side, so it should shield the heat fairly well and not be an issue. Thanks for watching.